Okay guys, in this video, I am going to make a smoothie, all right? Or a milkshake, whatever you want to call it. And I have it already prepared in this cup right here. And the brand of this is called Ninja, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. I believe it's already locked. I'm gonna check, give me 1 second. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is I am going to place this cup right on the holes right here. As you see, just like that. And then I'm gonna lock it. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist it. I heard that click. You twist it to your left, okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead and start it. So I'm gonna do the smoothie first. I'm gonna press smoothie. Okay, and what are the ingredients before I press smoothie? All right, it's yogurt, bananas, strawberries, blueberries, and almond milk. Okay, so the ingredients are going to be listed right in the description box below in the video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on smoothie, and it's going to do this. It's just going to do the smoothie. Now, if I want to go ahead and do the regular milkshake, I'm just going to press start, all right? This is going to blend it different. That's the regular one. Okay, that's the regular milkshake. If you want to do the smoothie, you click on smoothie. See, that's the difference. Going back to milkshake. Okay, I turned it off. That's what it looks like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect it, or I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it. Make sure you always hold plug from right in the back right here. Okay, you don't wanna get electrocuted. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. All you gotta do is just twist this to the right, all right? You twist the cup to the right. This is to lock, left lock, right unlock, okay? Left lock, right unlock. And all you gotta do, lift it up, okay? Just like that. You can sit it like that, all right? So around the counter. And all you gotta do, if you wanna open it up, go like this, set it like that, and you just unlock this lid right here, okay? So bear with me. Now I have unlocked it, and take the lid off. This is what it looks like. All right. And put it back on. Then you just like twist it, lock it, make sure it's locked. And then to the right, you just like unlock it, take the lid off. Okay. This is what blends the food. All right. Not right there. Be careful with that. So now, what I'm gonna do is I am going to serve myself the smoothie. If you want, you can add ice to it and drink it with a straw. Just like that. So now, let's try it. Now let's try the smoothie. All right. Cheers. Cheers. Now it's time for a sip. Cheers. Salud. Now let's go ahead and try it and drink it. All right. Ready? You want some? You want some? Mmm. All right. Try it again. Mmm. It's so good. It's a great smoothie. It's a real healthy smoothie. This is a real healthy smoothie. Good for the body. I'm getting some more. This is really nutritious, all right, guys? Very, very nutritious. All right, here I go again. Good for your kids, for the family. Serve this at home. It's really good. Real good. Are you enjoying the video? If you are, make sure to subscribe to Genius C Productions. Make sure to share the video. Make sure to like the video. Make sure you share the video with everybody that you know if you like this content. This fun content. All right? Funny content. All right, let me try it again. More zips. Woo! I know that's right. Well, this is it, guys. If you enjoy this content, make sure to subscribe to Genius C Productions. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to share the video. This is Eddie Cantu. I hope you make this smoothie or milkshake at home. Other the ingredients are going to be right in the description box below. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment box below, and I'll do my best to answer you back. Other than that, have a great day. See you guys in the next video. All right? Peace.